This is the understanding that allows it, that will allow us to transcend the creator-creation mindset and free us to be fully absorbed and enjoy the presence, the potency of the divine voice. See? Whatever and however you see God, he becomes, or it becomes, or she becomes. You see God as a being who is not touching the feelings of your infirmity and who forgets, who is reacting and constantly needs reminding of what you need and what you should do. That is what will grow and magnify in your experience. You see God as an ever-present presence that is never an absence, that cannot be reminded, that doesn't forget, that doesn't react, that knows all things, outside of whom there is no power. There's no power that works against he or he, she, it. That is what you will experience ultimately as you react. If there is any power outside of God which contends and opposes the agenda of God, then God is not God. Can't be omnipotent, and I've said this a million times. If there is a power outside of him which is in contention with him, that is forcing, that is fighting him and trying to compete with him, then God can't be God. I won't let theology confuse me on that. A good paraphrasing of this is that God revealed the fullness of himself, that is his image as man. In the fullness of the image of God is man revealed, with male and female attributes. Each individualized soul is both male and female, the I am and the I shall be. That is the substance of God. That is you. That understanding is what has changed the way I see prayer. Say, I don't have prayer time.